Good morning, dear traders. Today in this video we'll talk only about Bitcoin, daily Bitcoin trading ideas. I will discuss general idea on weekly chart, on monthly chart, on daily chart, and we'll go deep to 30-minute chart, 1-hour chart, and 5-minute chart. You'll see what I use for trading and how I predict what is going to be with the price. You are welcome to stay with me on this YouTube channel and of course watch my other videos about the Forex trading because I started around like 15 years ago with the Forex trading, and Bitcoin is something that came to me a little bit later. So let's go to check the technical picture. Bitcoin, this is the monthly chart. I know there are many technical researches right now in the world, but this is something that I do for many years for Forex, for stock market, just technical analytical researches. And I want to share some bad ideas with you right now. Really bad. Look at the technical picture. Do you know what the Fibonacci extension is? If you don't know, so please Google it and check how it works. So I take the Fibonacci extension from the maximum price that we had in the history. After that, I take the next minimum and I go to the next maximum price. What it gives me? Fibonacci extension gives me next levels to trade. It gives orienteer. It gives me just a view where price may go and where it may stop. On monthly chart, my bad forecast shows that level of resistance is around 26,100. Next target to go is 12,200, or it's around like 12,000, let's say like that. What you can see here, this red line on monthly chart, what does it mean? This is the 200 moving average. What usually traders use, we use 200 moving average and 50 moving average. Right now, price hits this 15 moving average on monthly chart. Does it mean that we have to stop over here? Does it mean that price will give us rebound right now? What it gives me one level of resistance. And with a Fibonacci extension, I have next level of resistance. So I can't just sell right now because of the 50 moving average. But I know two levels that are important for me technically. So what you do, you just leave those levels on the chart, and now you know what they mean. Let's delete, or we can actually leave it on monthly chart for you, and yeah, this will be good. We go to weekly chart. On weekly chart, I want to show you this maximum price from 2017. Do you remember this price? It was around 18,500. Okay, so they hit this maximum price and they go down. We take this maximum price, after that we take those levels from 2022, which is around 24,000. What does it mean for me? Why do I need it? Because I take this as a resistance. This is the technical level for future and close future. Close future shows me that level 25,900, which is around 26,000, is a resistance for me. And we just found it with a Fibonacci extension on monthly chart. Okay, what else do I see here? I see 200 moving average together with 50 moving average. And it's also in this area. Should I sell right now or what should I do? It gives me understanding that here is area which is super important for the market. Does it mean that they have to hit it or rebound from here? It gives me an understanding that over here I should close my long positions and be ready to open new long positions above this extremum or to wait for a rebound for short positions. And where will the price go? You know already, this is your level of support, which is around 1200. And wait, 12,000. Over here, if we extend this line, 12,000, what does it mean? It means that current technical level of support, which as I told you, was important for the market in 2019 and in 2020. Good. So this technical level is not just from the sky. This is something that we found with a technical instrument, and history gives us support that it was important. Okay, now we go on daily chart. On daily chart, look, when 200 moving average cross the 50 moving average, this is a signal for us to work to the side where it shows us to trade. Okay, for example, over here we got sell signal. Okay, but if you check this moment, when moving average or two moving averages give us signal to trade, usually after that, in 2, 3, 4 days or even 1 day, they give you a rebound to the other side. So in the day when you get this signal, this is a moment for you to trade opposite side. Okay, so they give you correction and after that they go down but rebound and give you new maximum. Okay, but we don't need that history right now, we need this situation. 200 moving average, which is the red one, and 50 moving average are ready to cross. They didn't cross yet, but they are ready to cross. When will they cross? What do you think? They will cross when price hits 26,000. This is like evident situation, okay? So in the moment when they hit this 26,000 area, two lines will cross and we will be like, wow, this is a buy signal. And in this moment, they will give you a rebound and will go down. Why? Because we just found that level of resistance as an important one. They give you a rebound, but for how long? It may be like 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And if something happens and Bitcoin decides to give you a new maximum, this will be 30 area. Why 30 area? You'll be like, wow, what? Why is it important? Because if you check history from 2021, this was important area, 29.30. 29 was important in 2021, 2021 again, 3 times. And in 2022, couple of weeks. So, first reaction. They hit 26, they give a rebound, and if we get a good signal to buy again, they will hit 29.30 area. Now you know how to act for this instrument on daily, weekly, monthly chart, and you know reasons. And this is something that I'm going to explain you on daily basis because I want you to understand the trading rules. Now we go and check the 4-hour chart. Can we enter market right now? What do we use? Is it a range? Is it a trend? No, this is not a range. On 4-hour chart, it's not a range. Like this, oh yeah, like this, it is a range. So what do I do here? I can only use this whole trading situation since June 2022. I can only use this as a range after RSI hits 30 area. And if it happens today, because today is the labor market for America day, and yes, we'll get non-farm payrolls. So if it happens and Bitcoin goes to support and hits the 30 area and RSI on 4-hour chart, yes, we'll get entry point to buy with the target 26. So I don't discuss with you opportunity to sell, but I'm trying to discuss with you opportunity to find entry point to buy. Okay. So right now I can't do anything. If I decide to buy, I should put stop loss under 23 area. Okay, it's not gonna work for me. I'm not gonna do that right now on 4-hour chart. Let's check 1-hour chart. Whoa, what do they show me here? They're trying to climb up and they don't break the 200 moving average, so they're still going up, up, up. But due to the fact that crypto market reacts really hard. They react on American data. So due to the fact that today we're going to get non-farm payrolls from America, we're going to get volatility. And in this situation, we'll be like, oh, when do we buy? When do we sell? What I like about current technical picture. We can take Fibonacci extension one more time for 1-hour chart. And levels of support are, please write down them. But this is okay for this trading terminal. In any other terminal, prices may be a little bit different. That's why I'm showing you instruments which I use. So level of support is 23.390 23,160 and 22,900. So you can see that this will be like the minimum price of the beginning of February. So if something happens and they hit the support, for us this is area to buy around 22,900, around 23,000. If it hits 23,000, this will be a moment for us to buy Bitcoin, because our general idea consider that price will go to 26,000. Okay. What if it's not going to go that far down? Okay, they may hit 23,680 area. So they may hit this resistance. And above this resistance, above 23,700, you buy up to 26,000. So this Fibonacci extension will just decline. Okay, so there are two options. Either they go to this area of support, or they break this area of resistance and you buy. Okay, and your target goes to 26 area. So there is no opportunity for me to sell Bitcoin right now. Even if they hit this level 23,000, I'm not gonna sell it yet, because on daily chart they're still not showing a rebound and sell signal. This is still just a vacation for them before they go higher. And you know why? Because they have better levels of resistance. So on 30-minute chart, price is under 50 moving average. We don't buy in this situation. We check 15-minute chart. They are under 50 moving average. They are under 200 moving average. We don't buy in this situation. Only after price hits this as a resistance, we can buy. I hope this is understandable for you. And even on 5-minute chart, if you check, they're under 200 moving average, under 50 moving average. And what do we see here on 5-minute chart? This is a sell signal. So if you decide to sell right now intraday Bitcoin, you may do that. And you'll be like, but what is my target? You take Fibonacci extension on 5-minute chart. You take same maximum, same minimum, same maximum, and your target goes down to 23,400. After that, 23,180, and after that, 22,900. So those are your levels, your targets. Your stop loss should go above 23,670, something like that. So yeah, and if you decide not to trade right now, this will be okay. But you see this sell signal, and after RSI hits the 70 area on 5-minute chart, this may be entry point to sell, because we have volatility. What happens when we have good news from America? They will give us volatility. Volatility means that this is a huge opportunity to earn money, and you gotta be ready with the technical levels. I wish you profit. Stay with me and ask me questions under the video. See you later. Bye. See you.